Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect any controller to GeForce Now. Let's begin. First, make sure that you have already installed GeForce Now on your Windows. Then I want you to open up your Steam. Here, you will locate various options, but you just need to go to Steam, go to settings over here, then you will access the controller settings over this section. Just scroll down and you will see this icon. Click on it. Double check that everything is enabled. So enable this, everything, and also this. PlayStation control support. Make sure this is enabled. Okay. Next step would be to close this particular window. You will notice a button over here or an option, add a game. Click on it, add a non-Steam game. Here, we will add or you will now add GeForce Now. So simply locate GeForce Now. However, if it's not showing up here, I have mine. So you just simply click on it. If it's not showing up here, of course, you can browse and hopefully you can locate it on your desktop. It should be there. Once you have selected the GeForce Now, just go ahead, proceed on your library section. It will show up in here, GeForce Now. Just select that, just like any particular game you will play on Steam. And you should now be able to play any games on Steam using your controller through GeForce Now. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.